Welcome children. In this video, you will learn how to write number names 1 to 10. So before writing in your maths copy, let's have an oral revision of number names 1 to 10. O-N-E 1, T-W-O 2, T-H-R-E-E 3, F-O-U-R 4, F-I-V-E 5, S-I-X 6, S-E-V-E-N 7, E-I-G-H-T 8, N-I-N-E 9, and last T-E-N 10. Children, you will mention date here. Then after that, you will write heading. And heading is number names 1 to 10. N, U, M, B, E, R. Number, then put one finger gap and then write names. N-A-M-E-S. Names, number names. Then you write 1 dash 1 0. Okay, and write CW here. You will write heading like this, children. Then you will start your work from this block. You will leave this block, one block, and you will leave one more block here at the left side of your copy. After margin line, one block you will leave, and at the top side also you will leave one block. Then write 1. Make a dash and write the spelling of 1. Now what is the spelling of 1? Yes, O-N-E 1. This is O, children. Where from you will start your O? Put your pencil on the top of the box and then make C, and then take this curve at the top and curve this top inside like this. Children, you will not join this both the sides of O. Now write N E. This is O-N-E 1. Now after that write 2. What is this, children? Yes, 2. Make a dash, and these dashes are necessary. You have to make it. This is T. Put your pencil at the below of this line, at the below of blue line, and then go up, come down, little curve, then again go up, touch it to the top line, come down with slanting line and curve it. Now make W. W. T. W. O. 2. Now after this, write 3. Make a dash. Then again as you have written like this, make T. H. R. Double E. 3. Now 4. Slanting line, sleeping line, and cut the sleeping line with a straight line. And this straight line will be similar up to this line. Okay. Make a dash and then write spelling of 4. Just like T, you have to make, and then you will cut this T here at the middle of that T. This is F. What is this, children? F. Now F O U R. Spelling is 4. Now write 5. Just below 4 only you will write 5 by leaving one box. Sleeping line, slanting line, and a half circle, semicircle like this, and just little you will take this stroke upward, little, make a dash, write 5 like this, F I V E, 5. Understood? Now after 5, what you will write? 6. So make a 6, put a dash, put your pencil on left side corner and then go up, curve from there. Once again you have to curve, set it on the bottom line, then go up and then take this line inside this slanting line. This is S. Now after S you will write I, X, 6. Okay. After 6 you will write 7. Slanting, sleeping line, then slanting line, make a dash. Like this you will write one more time here also, S E V E N. This is 7. After 7 you will write, children, 8. What you will write? 8. Make a S, make like S, and then you have to join with a curving line here on the top of this line, dash. Now for capital cursive E you have to put your pencil here on here or below of this blue line, and then you will go up, make small e, then curve this e and set it on the bottom line, then make I, then from there only write G, then H, T. Okay, this will be 8. After 8, children, you have to complete your work from this page. From next page you have to write 9 and 10.
Rest of the 2 numbers.
We will write here 9 and 10 on the next page. See, this one your previous page where you have written 1 to 8. Then after that 9 and 10 we will write here on this page. So for 9 leave 2 box and make circle, and from that circle one standing line, dash, then make N. Like this, curve, then slanting line, then one more slanting line and go up and curve there, N. After N, I, N, E. This will be 9. After 9, 10. For 10, you have to make one here, just after this margin line, and make 0 here. Just below of this 9, you have to make 0. Okay, children? 1, 0, 10, make dash and write T. This is cursive capital T, children. T, E, N. 10. Now let's have a revision of this. Write date, heading, number names 1 to 10, and at the corner, right side corner, CW. Then after that, write 1, make dash and write spelling of 1, which is O-N-E, 1. You have to make these dashes, children, because this is important. No student will do their work without making these dashes. This is necessary. After writing the digit, you have to make dash. Means you have to leave this box. Then you will write the spelling. And when you will leave this box between the number and the number name, you will make a dash here. Okay? 2. T-W-O, 2. Now, T-H-R-E-E, 3. F-O-U-R, 4. F-I-V-E, 5. S-I-X, 6. S-E-V-E-N, 7. EIGHT 8. Now on next page, one more time, here date and classwork, and then write 9, make dash, and the spelling of 9 is NINE 9. 10 10, make dash, and the spelling is TEN 10. Likewise, you have to do your work very nicely, neatly and properly.